everyone. Today I am back again with kitchen vocabulary part 2. Let's start. Now it's time for different types of cutting. I am chopping the capsicum. Chop means to cut into large square pieces. I am dicing the carrot. Dice is basically small chops. Now I am mincing the tomato. Mince means cut it as small as you can. Now I am slicing the cucumber. Sliced means just cut vertically down. So I chopped the capsicum. Chopped means cut into large square pieces. Then I diced the carrot. Dice means cut into small pieces. Then I minced the tomato. Minced means cut it as small as you can. And I sliced the cucumber. Sliced means cut vertically down. So these are all about the different types of cutting, like chopped, diced, minced and sliced. Let's see the vocabulary used in the process of making chapatis. Let's start. First, we beat wheat flour and a shifter. This is a shifter. A shifter is used to separate the fine powder from lumps or any coarse particles. So I am shifting the flour. This is a shifter and I am shifting the flour. Look. Like this. Now add some salt and mix. Mix. I am mixing the flour and the salt. Now add water and make a dough. Now our dough is ready. This is our dough. Dough means thick, malleable mixture of flour and liquid used for baking. We will use this to make our chapati. Now I am kneading the dough. What am I doing? I am kneading the dough. Knead means moisten the dough with hand, or you can say gently massage the dough with hand. Now make the balls. I am making the balls to make chapatis. Now I will roll out the chapatis. For this I need rolling pin and a base or board. Now I am rolling out the chapati. This process is called rolling out. So roll out means the process of making big round of the dough ball. Now we will bake the chapati. For this we need a griddle. Now I am baking the chapati. Bake means cook by dry heat without direct exposure to a flame. Flip. I flipped the chapati with tongs. Flip means turn over quickly. I am puffing up the chapati. This is a grill. Puff up means to swell or exaggerate the chapati. Now our chapati is ready to eat. Let's pour some water into the glass. Pour. Pour means flow rapidly in a steady stream. Pour. Stir. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Stir means move a spoon or other implement round in order to mix it thoroughly. There is a bowl of salad. Let's sprinkle some salt over the salad. Sprinkle means a small quantity or amount of something scattered over something, especially food. Now garnish the salad. Garnish. Garnish means decorate or embellish something, especially food. I hope all of you have enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.